Can you speak English?
Hindi, nagsaya kami.
I want bayabas, señorita. Ma'am, I want to buy bayabas. How much?
20.
Okay, give me one. Thank you.
Isa ba?
Bayabas.
Bayabas ba? Bayabas isa.
Ma'am, can I ask a question, ma'am?
Ha?
Can I ask a question?
Isa ba? Bay, wala yung pangutana.
I'm going to Taboylan. Where?
Ilan ba ito? Sorry.
Excuse me, ma'am. I'm still this is my first time here. I'm half apple, ma'am. Can you speak English?
Hindi, nagsaya kami.
I cannot understand.
Ha?
How much?
20.
Do you have a plastic? Ma'am, I'm going to Taboylan Island. Where?
Tabulan?
Yeah.
Tabulan is 2 kilometers. 2 kilometers from here. Tabulan is far.
Okay. Where is nearest mall here?
What?
Nearest mall.
Nearest mall is
Yeah. Where?
Quezano Mall, City Mall,
I want go to restaurant.
restaurant.
Yeah.
There.
Where? I want famous restaurant.
Famous?
Yeah.
Famous restaurant. Restaurant. And that's good. Tapahan.
I want lechon.
Lechon.
Yeah.
Lechon. Here in Taytay.
How many minutes?
Park.
Thank you, ma'am. Maybe I can ask there. You have a sauce, ma'am? Sauce?
20?
Yeah.
Want to put
Sauce, like suka.
suka?
Yeah.
Separate?
Yeah.
Change.
Hey, thank you. Thank you. You're so kind. Thank you. Layo ba to, te? Layo ba to? Ka-vlog na to. Oh. Prank na bitaw to, ma'am? Nag-prank na bitaw to?
Makit kita?
Nag-prank na to ba? Okay ra, i-upload no?
Okay naman.
Fist bump naman. Fist bump naman. Pakado na ko, mama. Salamat.